Hi friends, are you looking for a fully funded opportunity to study in Australia at one of the world's top universities? The University of Melbourne Human Rights Scholarship 2026 is now open for applications. This prestigious scholarship supports both international and domestic students who wish to pursue a master's or PhD focused on human rights research. Best of all, no application fee is required. To apply, you'll first need to apply for and be accepted into a graduate research program at the University of Melbourne. Once admitted, you'll be eligible to apply for this scholarship for the 2026 academic year. What the scholarship covers: full tuition fees, living allowance, relocation support to from Australia, overseas student health cover, OSHC, eligibility criteria, open to applicants of all nationalities, including Australians, must meet entry requirements and apply for a master's or doctoral research degree beginning in 2026. Research must focus on human rights. Applicants must not have completed a research degree at the same or higher level, must not have received a previous graduate research scholarship. Selection criteria: candidates will be assessed based on academic excellence, strength of research proposal, demonstrated commitment to human rights, and research potential. How to apply: submit an online application explaining your commitment to human rights through academic, volunteer, or professional experiences, and describe how your proposed research will advance this important field. Application deadline: 31st October 2025. Apply now via the official University of Melbourne website using the link below. Remember, your passion for human rights could open doors to a world-class education in Australia. Good luck and thanks for watching.